Hey kids, welcome to Creative Chaos. How many of you know Doraemon? Today we will be drawing Doraemon with simple and easy steps. Doraemon isn't just a cat, but a robot from the future, a cat who has a magic pocket full of amazing gadgets. He can fly, travel anywhere, and help his best friend in the most fun ways. Sounds exciting, right? Well, meet Doraemon. A long time ago in a little town, there was a boy named Nobita. Nobita was kind, but he always forgot his homework, got into trouble, and sometimes felt sad. But guess what? Someone very special came to help him. Doraemon, the robot cat from the future. Doraemon isn't like other cats. He doesn't meow or chase mice. He has a magic pocket on his tummy. Inside, he has all kinds of cool gadgets. Need to fly? He pulls out his bamboo copter. Want to go anywhere in the world? He has the Anywhere door. Every day, Doraemon helps Nobita in fun and silly ways. Sometimes, the gadgets cause a little trouble. Oops, Zrenia. But no matter what, Doraemon is always there to help his best friend. That's what makes him so special. Did you know Doraemon loves dorayaki? It's his favorite snack. And here's a fun fact. Doraemon used to be yellow, but one day he lost his ears and turned blue. That's why he looks the way he does today. Doraemon teaches us that being a good friend is the most important thing of all. Bye for now. See you next time.